Hi guys, back again and proud to launch this new launch from SG. This is all new series from SG, absolutely fresh. This is the hybrid series, hybrid 20, and these are specialized T20 bats from SG. So I'll just take you through the bat. Now, this is the bat in front of you. This is the new stickering. Check out how bold this one is. This is bold and black with a tinge of blue on this. And check out the detailing on the sticker again, very premium. So this is the bat face, and then again the SG Shield logo and a fuller SG sticker. Believe become tagline of SG at the rear of the bat. So this is for the stickers. Now coming to the profile, again signature parts of the bat. Like this is a full profile, all the bats are full profile in shape, and again slightly round toes at the sides. So this is the toe of the bat, again full profile. Coming to the handle, all these bats are semi oval, and these are counter control handles. So this is counter control on the top and semi oval handles, all of them. So this is the signature parts of the bat. Again, this comes in three models. This is the one signature hybrid LE. So this comes at 40,000 INR. The other one is the hybrid ultimate. This is retailing at 30,000 rupees. And then last of the lot is the hybrid extreme. This is the basic one for 15,000. So this is the hybrid 2020 series. This is specialized T20 bats from SG. I had told you about the bats. Now I'll take you piece by piece, few of the pieces. Check out this for a piece. Check out the grains, how clean the bat is, how nice the grains are. Let us count the grains. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 grains on this one. Absolute cracker of a bat. 40 mm of edges. 1158 is the weight on the scale. So this is how light the bat is. Again, check out the profile. I had told you, absolutely full profile. Check out the toe size, really nice toe size. And again semi oval handles and counter control on the top. So again, balance is really awesome on this one. This is even lighter. This picks up at around 1150. So this is one of the top of the line hybrid LE. This is the second hybrid LE we've got. This is again hardwood on the outside edge. Again, check out how proportionately the grains are spaced. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 grains on this one. This is 1200 grams pure muscle. Again, full profile. Identical bats. They're following up a design theme on those bats, and every bat is identical. Similar handle, similar profile. So this is the hybrid LE, top of the line bats, and then I've got few ultimate as well. Check this out for a bat. This one is again 1155, so it's pretty light. This is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grains on this one. Nice profile, nice edges. The stickering is very 2020, really modern stickers. I'm glad they've moved ahead of the retro stickers. We've had enough of those retros. That's my personal opinion. So now this one is absolutely new, very fresh, very 2020. So cheers to SG for this new thought process. These are all signed by Rishabh Pant. So you've got a Rishabh Pant autograph signed here. So this is the new series from SG, guys. Do DM for details. We'll be shipping worldwide. Thanks and cheers.